back to Cirespeed reviews. So I just purchased this dark side vision Rey, and we're going to take a closer look at this figure. Got some information back here. Pause that if you want to take a look at that. Read that back here in the back. So we got the blue highlights on this. Looks pretty cool. Got a nice image of dark side Rey. She never was in the dark side, but you know, this was part of the vision she had. The figure looks spot on with how she looked on the Rise of Skywalker. Of course, you got the infamous dual lightsaber she had on the movie. Everybody was speculating how this thing worked, and it's hinged right there. You can tell. It's got the two lightsabers, and it's got the hinge. So I haven't seen too many of these figures out as of yet. So I wanted to go ahead and do this quick little rundown on this figure. So we're going to go ahead and open this, see how it looks. Alright, so we're going to start off with the lightsaber. Take a good look at this. So I can focus right. And it's hinged. So it opens like that. You got the hinge in the middle. Two identical sabers become one. Okay. So right now it kind of looks a little bit like Darth Maul's saber a little bit, but yeah, it's hinged right here. I was excited when I saw this. Like, such a cool lightsaber, and it still holds up pretty well. I mean, I think the hinge is what was throwing people off a little bit. It wasn't like Darth Maul's dual blade, but I don't mind it too much. I think it's pretty cool. Okay, so let's get on to the figure now. I really want to apologize once again. The lighting in here is not great. I still haven't fixed my my little YouTube studio that I've been working on. Weather hasn't been cooperating, but anyway, let's get back to this. So you've got this first piece in the front. It's kind of somewhat like hard plastic, but you can flip it up and see her pants, her boots, her I guess it's like a one-piece kind of dress looking thing, and you got her face sculpt. Face sculpt looks pretty good. And I don't know. I have Rey, but I don't know where she's at. I think she's in one of the boxes back there in the back that I have in the storage room. But to compare the face sculpt, but her face sculpt doesn't look bad. It does look like Daisy Ridley. And she has the cloak on. It kind of covers her hair, but it does show that she does have her hair underneath it. And you got the ring. Okay. And you have this cloth material. This is nice. It kind of breaks up the whole plastic. The rest of her outfit, and she does swivel from the torso, her arms, right here on her wrist too. You can also twist her a little bit. There's a little bit of play on there. I'm having a hard time getting her to stand up. I don't know. Maybe I need to manipulate the legs, the knees, or something to get her to stand. And maybe because this is not actually straight down here. So let's try this down here. I'm having a hard time getting her to stand, but maybe if I had both hands. But let me just go ahead and put her right here, and let's see if we can get her lightsaber to go in her hand. Okay, I was able to get her to stand up. But I noticed the blade is a little too long. This is about the only pose that I can get her. Maybe something like this, but once you get it to go down, once you get her arm down, this bottom blade starts wanting to hit the floor, or just kind of, no, I don't know, maybe like that. But it looks a little awkward. I wish it was a little bit shorter, the blades. But you know, if you're gonna have her standing up on my shelf, it'll look, I guess, not that bad. But yeah, this is not a bad figure, and hey, that blade is a little too long. Maybe if I fold it up and put it in her hands, it'll probably be just right. Let's see if I can do that. All right, I got her to grip it. She's only gripping one saber. She can't do both. But I was excited to see her when she was in that dark side vision. I have another Rey, but I need to find where she's at. She's probably in one of the boxes that I have in my little storage room. But so I can put her next to that figure. So once again, this is the Black Series Rey Dark Vision. You know, if you like this figure, go ahead and pick one up. I haven't seen too many of these around. She's got the cloth. Once again, she's got the cloth cape in the back. All this is plastic, but you can, you know, get her to pose. Her legs and her knees and stuff move. I wish the lightsaber was a little bit shorter. It seems a little too long, but it's a great figure. The scope looks pretty good. So, you know, if you can find one, if you like this figure, go ahead and pick one up. All right. Thanks for watching this quick little unboxing and review of the, let's see, the Rise of Skywalker Rey Dark Side Vision Hasbro Black Series. So if you like this, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you're thinking about picking one of these up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Almost to 100 subscribers, and I'll be doing a giveaway once I hit that 100. Okay, so also follow my Instagram, Cirespeed Reviews. Thanks again for watching Cirespeed Reviews. Peace.